What automation really means. Automation isn't about replacing humans. It's about freeing them from boring, repeatable work. Many people think automation means writing complex code, but that's not true. Automation is about designing logic. It follows a simple structure. When something happens, something else happens automatically. When X happens, do Y. For example, when a new form is filled out, send a welcome email. When a new order is placed, add it to a spreadsheet and notify the manager. When a new message arrives, automatically tag it and send it to the CRM. The key shift is this. You're no longer doing the task manually. You're designing how the task gets done. And here's a simple rule to remember. If you do the same thing twice, it's a candidate for automation. Why automation matters. Automation changes the way you work. It creates speed because there's no waiting for manual input. It creates consistency because nothing gets forgotten. It allows scale because systems don't burn out. But beyond efficiency, automation shifts your role. You move from doing repetitive tasks to doing higher value work. You unlock new freelance service opportunities because businesses need systems, not just workers. You begin thinking like a system designer. Consider a real example. A virtual assistant automated 80% of client requests. As a result, they took on 3 times more clients, increased their earnings, and actually worked fewer hours. You're not doing less. You're building systems that do more. What can be automated? Automation doesn't mean automating everything. It means automating what's ready tasks that are repeatable and rule-based. To decide if something can be automated, ask one simple question. Can this task be done the same way every time? If the answer is yes, it's automatable. If the answer is no, it might still be partially automated. Common areas include administrative tasks like form responses that trigger emails and spreadsheet updates, client onboarding sequences that send welcome emails and calendar links, content workflows that publish blog posts and notify subscribers, sales and CRM systems that tag new leads and create follow-up reminders, and reminders or alerts that notify teams about missed deadlines. If you can draw the steps on a napkin, you can build them in a workflow tool. The system builder mindset. Automation means setting rules so work runs itself. It saves time, improves consistency, and creates value at scale. You don't need advanced coding skills to begin. You start with repeatable, rule-based tasks. The real transformation happens when you stop thinking like someone completing tasks and start thinking like someone designing systems. And once you understand that shift, you're ready to explore the basic unit of automation, the workflow.